combination of the combination. And actually, super big. Our purpose is to maximize the profit. How to maximize profit, we should get the best combination. We have to take down, say, company. Given the data, we should we have the maximum profit, we have the maximum and given me the data, the profit for table 7, nothing,
dami na atin. Siguro anin. Wala pa ako. Dalawa pa lang ako, ma'am. Hindi ko pa nakita. Nakita mo na siya. Ilan? Ilan ka? Lakas mo naman. Ako hindi ko pa nakita. Tanong ko kay Ma'am Pati.
Lower than 0.
Parang medium ka lang.
Sample, just to give you overview of the link of that.
Remedial nga pala.
The individual of the 2 billion data. And this is how we get the missing part of the formula. For the T, after the T, we can get the standard community.